Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video. So today we are making soya milk. It's simple and it's super creamy and delicious. You do not want to buy it from outside, make it at home. So before we get started, please do also subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and give this video a thumbs up. So for the ingredients, you're going to start off with some soya beans that I got off the market. I'm just trying as much as possible to take any particles, any chaff out of it, and then I'm going to wash this thoroughly to make sure that I get any dirt that was on it from the market off it. So you need to wash it thoroughly, and after that, this is what I have. I'm just going to soak this in water. I'm just transferring it into a bigger container. Soak this in water and let it rest overnight. Mostly people let it rest for at least 8 hours, but I prefer it resting overnight. And after that, this is what we have. Like, it's almost fermented, but that's what we are looking for. So the next step is very critical and very crucial. We are just going to rub it between our fingers to make sure that we get all the skin out of it. It's quite tedious, but trust me, it's worth it. It's going to take your milk to the extra level. So after washing it, this is what we have. It comes out super clean. So I'm just going ahead to separate some and then store it for my soya bean kebab, which I'm going to post next time I do a video, but this time we are focusing on the milk. So I'm just going to take about 2 cups into my blender, add enough water to it and blend it. So this is what I have after blend. I'm just going to continue the process till everything is well blended. Now you need a cheesecloth for this, but I don't have, so I've improvised. This is just a clean kitchen, how do you call this thing, net or something that I've just used. So this is an improvised cheesecloth. I'm just going to pour my blended bean into it, add a little bit of water, and then squeeze the milk out of it. Like, you need to really squeeze that with clean hand. So I'm just going to continue the process with everything till I've obtained my milk out of it. So after that, this is what I have. This is going to go on fire for it to simmer for about 30 minutes. In total, my milk was on fire for full 30 minutes. So I'm just going to take out the skin that is forming on top of my milk, which is not necessary. So you just take it out. And my vapor was vaporing, like it was all over my camera. So I'm sorry for the bad quality, but it was just the vapor from the milk. So by this time my milk had been on fire for about 15 minutes, and then skin was forming on top of my milk. So I was just going to take the skin off my milk, and then I left it for it to be on fire for additional 15 minutes. So that's about it. And after that, this is what I have, your perfectly simmered milk, which is hot, by the way. I'm just gonna let it rest and cool down. After that, I'm just going ahead to add vanilla extract, which is totally optional. You can just enjoy your milk as it is, but you know me, I have a sweet tooth, so I'm just gonna add about 2 or 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now brown sugar will change your milk to a certain level, because I don't know, I think the color of the sugar, but that's about it. I'm just going to sieve my milk to make sure that there are no particles or no chaff or whatever it is. So I'm just sieving my milk for the last time. And indeed there are some particles, so yeah, I'm just gonna let it rest or throw that out, and then I'm just going to work on pouring my milk into my preferred container. Now these are old containers that I had, drink containers that I had, that I'm just gonna improvise. So first we have the plain vanilla soya milk, and then secondly I'm just going to add cocoa powder to my milk and make it chocolate soya milk. And then for the third one, I'm just going to make strawberry soy milk, like strawberry flavored soy milk. So now let's just work on the cocoa powder soy milk. So I'm just going to add strawberry flavor into my milk. This will actually change your color, but then it's not gonna give you a strong pink color. So if you want that color, you just add a little bit of pink food coloring and then you are good to go. So there you have it, our homemade soy milk, chocolate, vanilla and strawberry soy milk. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me to the end of the video. I'm just gonna enjoy my chocolate soy milk because it's my favorite kind of soy milk. Please do want to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Give this video a thumbs up and please don't forget to share my content with other people so that they can also make their own homemade soy milk. Please do well to subscribe. I've said that already. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.